In your role in chapter leadership, have you ever experienced a situation where you were asked to take over a position, a responsibility, and there was no documentation? There was nothing written down. Just 2 steps, okay? Next question. Don't rush the stage yet, okay? Next question. Have you ever experienced a situation where there's somebody on the leadership team that will not give up control? Oh, now we have people looking guilty. Have you ever had a situation where you want to fire one of your volunteers? Oh, no, you're starting to rush. Have you ever had the thoughts, if we don't do something differently now, we might not be around as a chapter 2 years from now? 3, wait, I'm not finished asking the question yet. If we don't do something now, we may not be around as a chapter in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or more. If that resonates with you, 2 steps forward. 2 more questions. If you ladies just want to climb up here with me, you're welcome to, okay? Next question. As you look at your membership pool, you look at your volunteer pool, and you look at your leadership pipeline, and it's not looking real strong, and you're wondering, how are we ever going to have the right people in the right positions at the right times to do what we need to do? If you've ever had that thought, 2 steps forward. Just start climbing up here, ladies. Just come on up. The last question I have for you. Have you ever thought as a leader yourself, there's a point where I would like to move on and do something different, but I don't have anybody to pass this off to. There's nobody else that can take over for me. If that resonates with you, 2 steps forward. Okay? I think there's at least a few of you that can empathize with some of the situations I